everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you instant moong dal halwa. Let us see the ingredients required for moong dal halwa. 2 cups of moong dal powder. I have wiped it, dry wiped it and dry roasted till you get a pink color for the dal and then grinded into the mixer. The powder should be little coarse. Now I have taken 2 cups of moong dal powder, so I will have 1 katori sugar, milk as required, some slivered almonds and ghee. Before I show you this recipe, I want you all to do one thing. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and click onto the bell icon so that you get to see all my new videos at first attempt. Okay, now let us begin. Now I have already kept some ghee into the kadhai. Let this get melted. To it I will add this powdered moong dal powder. It's already getting melted. So what I will do, I will add to this moong dal powder, which is 2 cups roasted. And I will put the flame to the lower medium and I will roast it till it becomes little brown. After stirring it continuously for 5 minutes, moong dal is being roasted and I am getting some aroma. It's been done. Now is the time to add milk. So I am going to add milk. Almost 500 ml of milk I am going to add. And now I will put on the gas and I will stir it continuously, keeping the flame at lower middle. See. Now this will take another 4 to 5 minutes. After adding milk, see, this has become so thick. Now after stirring it for 2 to 3 minutes, now it's time to add sugar. Sugar is to be added as per how you like the sweetness. I have taken 1 katori of sugar. So I'm going to add, and since this has become dry, I'm going to add some more ghee to it. So let the sugar get melted and mixed. Now after adding sugar, see, the sugar is been incorporated completely into the moong dal halwa. Now since this is little dry, I'm going to add some 2 tablespoons of ghee on the top, like this, not more, and I will incorporate some slivered almonds. And I will mix all this and my moong dal halwa is ready to be served. See, it's been done. Now this has been done in very less ghee. Traditionally, you have to soak the moong dal overnight, then blend it to a very fine paste, and then you have to roast it into a lot of ghee, which used to drink a lot of ghee. So this is the best method to do. If you like my video, please share it and try to do it. It's very yummy in taste. Now it's ready. Now I'll put the gas flame off and it's time to serve. So and I will finish it with some more almonds. This is how my instant moong dal halwa looks. If you like it, share it, and please write your suggestions and comments into the comments box and click onto the bell icon. Thank you.